Yo, what's going on? Oh man, I'm out of sorts. Hang on. Nah, how about that one? Ah, too much going on. I spilled coffee. That's not good. Uh, what's up, Nick's Crage? 0707. That's like a guy waving. Is that what that is? Or a girl waving? Two of them? I don't know. Hey, Adam and chat, what's up, Project Day? Paul. It's pretty funny. How you doing, Paul? 91 kilogram male. Listen, Paul, I thought it was pretty clear. When you share like nutrition advice, it wasn't advice, but like I'm saying this is the thing I eat for this context. I feel like I should specify how large and my gender. I don't know. Seemed like it made sense. Half the year gone? What's up, Nixia? July 1st. Wow, half the year is gone. Waving, saluting, whatever. All of it. Oh my god, it's Adam Harris. Oh my god, it's Harris. What's up? Welcome to chat, Full Veto. Hola. How are you? You look tired. I feel a little tired. To be honest, I'm not sleeping a whole lot. I don't know if you guys know this about me. Have I talked about the mania? I'm not a maniac, just a hypomaniac. I get a little bit, just a touch of mania. I don't know what that means. What's up, Parvinius? Welcome to chat. Why no YouTube videos? You know what? I'm gonna start streaming this to YouTube. Do you guys can see I've got the chat here on the left now. I'm putting it on the screen, and it should be chat from everywhere, but you're all on Twitch, so it'll just be Twitch. But if someone on Twitter, because I am streaming this to Twitter right now, if someone chatted on Twitter, it would show up there. Maybe test that out. Hey, Paul. How's your BJJ journey going? Also, Adam, you're back. See, actually, welcome. How's it going? Man, I am tired. I did not sleep. I slept like 5 hours. Not enough hours. I just get, it's like Christmas morning, like a child. I can't sleep because I'm so excited about the day before me. Today is the last day that I'll be working on Terminal.shop. Not forever, but like for a bit. Today we're putting on the little touches at the end. Just the little finishing touches. Feels good. You should be able to order coffee soon. Just saying. That 15-year-old really messed up my weekend. He really did. He's actually, Paul, he's like so this answers the question about my BJJ journey as well. Had an amazing morning yesterday at Open Mat with it's like a small group. So my instructor, I have like a private coach. He's like a 3rd degree black belt. He's amazing. He trained with Bernardo Faria when he lived in Massachusetts. Like before Bernardo was like crazy YouTube sensation and more just like world champion amazing. So he's really good. My instructor's the best. And he has like he's got a garage full of mats, and he has like a little private open mat that's just like a handful of us. It's become my favorite part of the week. So had an amazing morning. Felt like stuff's starting to click, I'm starting to, I'm still a dumb white belt, but like I'm starting to feel like, I don't know, some things are making a little sense. I don't know. Not really. I'm still so far away. But great morning. And then I go to my open mat, which is like the Gin Pop open mat, which is like the big gym that I go to. And I was just going to do no-gi because I got some new rash guards and they're awesome. And I'm like, I need to work on no-gi anyway. And an old family friend, someone I've known like 15 years that I haven't seen in like 10 years, was there in the waiting room. When I walk in the gym, there's like a little seating area. He's like sitting in there. And he's like, Adam? And I'm like, Dave? And his son, who I knew as a very small child 10 years ago, I guess a 4 or 5-year-old, is now 15 and a grown-ass man. And he rolled me to death. He's 15 and he was destroying everyone in the gym. So it wasn't just me. It was incredible. He's only been training 4 years, and I've been training a year. So like he knows a lot more. He weighs 130 pounds. I'm a 200-pound man. And I'm not like, I'm kind of an imposing 200-pound man, and he had his way with me. I couldn't pass his guard for the life of me. Then he swept me, and he triangled me before he armbarred me. I mean, it was just like a clinic. And I do a lot of rolling, a lot of open mats. It's like my favorite part of jiu-jitsu is actually rolling. I don't just like go sit in class and drill or whatever. Like I roll. And I don't remember getting worked over like that in a long time. I don't remember somebody that like submitted me multiple times in a 5-minute roll. Like generally I can kind of like defend myself. Not this guy. He was good. Okay. Welcome to Chat Harvinius. Sorry, I stopped reading and started telling stories. Not a maniac sounds like something a maniac would say. Yeah, no. Let's work. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. We are working on Terminal.shop Prom TV. Whoa, there I am from Twitter too. Oh, did it work? Look at that. Twitter. I see you. I see you, Twitter. You're not alone. How's it going, Twitter? Okay, it's actually just you guys on Twitter, but whatever. It's something. Dark roast soon? Very soon. One might say, do I say that? No, I'm not going to say that. We're going to have ads starting in 3 minutes because gotta knock out those pre-rolls. I don't like people watching pre-rolls, so we do the mid-rolls now. So it's going to be pretty quickly, and then after that ad break, we're going to get to it. I did tweak the ad timing a little bit for those who are here Friday. It felt like it was like constantly, just ad breaks constantly. I changed it so it's like every 40 minutes will be 2 minutes of ads. I don't know. It's a shame you didn't stream getting beat up by a 15-year-old. I know, right? Would pay to see that. What's up, Kosi? So naturally I threw him into an armbar and ignored the tap. No, I totally tapped. I tapped more than once. Did you take any of your stuff, Walter? From all I see on Twitter are 40-year-olds saying they are too old for BJJ. Really, Nixia? I'm 37. I'll be 38 next month. And I don't feel too old for it. I wish I would have started in my 20s. I mean, sure, that would have been great. Man, this person banned... the messages. I'm old. Can you see it in my beard? My gray beard? I'm an old guy. Not a young guy anymore. Good morning, chugging coffee. I'm also chugging coffee. 3 years left to get beat up. So, I really do have some, like, goals before 40. Is that stupid? Is that cliche? I have some goals. So old he remembers a Watergate scandal. That's funny. Old guy getting submitted by 15-year-olds. Yeah, good time. What's up, Sinher? Chugging nil. Really, Nix? You still got nil? I was roasted a while ago. I'm not going to lie. Unless you were one of the people that we screwed up and we sent you some recently. Adam's old enough to remember Biden when he was just old. 43 and kicking, my oldest. Is 13. Finished Java introductory. Wow. That's wild when your kids are taking programming courses in an organized setting. Took a while to ship across the Atlantic. Sorry about that, Nix. How did that go? How did the delay, did it like sit in customs? Could you tell me anything about it so that I could learn something? I want to bench 300 pounds before I'm 40. In high school, I was a football player, and we did a lot of weight training for football. That's like a thing. Like American football, not the thing where you actually kick the ball with your foot. Ads are starting in 18 seconds. I'm going to tell this little story just for the subs and the turbos and the whoever can't get sold ads by Twitch. Sorry. But I'm not going to do any programming until you guys get back from ads. So 8 seconds, you guys are going to do the ad thing. And I'm just going to tell this little story about high school Adam. See you in a minute. So 300 just so you can tell Ken Wheeler. Oh, I will definitely tell Ken Wheeler. So in high school, I was a quarterback. Not like a standout lifter, But like we all lifted really hard. Like my school was just it was a good football program. Had a really great coach who really pushed the weight training. Uh, and I topped out my senior year benching 290 pounds. And it just pisses me off. Like, honestly, it just bothers me. Cause then I went into adulthood and basically stopped any kind of weight training at all. Especially not like I did kind of poke around and just do like lifeguard workouts for fun a few years of my life. But like for the most part, since high school, not so much on the weightlifting. And only in the last year have I've got a personal trainer who's actually pushing me like my coach did. I need somebody to push me, to be honest. I need somebody like making me do things. Wait, the ads haven't even started? Okay, the ads just started. For 2 minutes. So I need like the motivation of a person like making me do a thing and shaming me if I don't. You know what I mean? Uh, I've been doing that for a year now, and my personal trainer is now he's well aware that my goal is to bench 300 pounds before I'm 40. He says it's doable. I'm not there. I'm not there yet, and I can't remember how long it took me in high school to like progress. But like progress feels so slow. Okay. Good morning, Oetzi. What's going on? You doing weights, body weight, or both? I'm doing weights now, Sinher. So I was doing some like calisthenic stuff at home, and I was feeling pretty good about that. I wanted to do. There's a few like specific positions or like moves. I don't know what to call a calisthenics thing. Like, what do you call a muscle up, or what do you call planche? Plank? Planche? I don't know. Skills? Yeah. There were a few like calisthenic skills that I was aiming towards and I was working towards. That was fun. But yeah, now I'm back on the like free or free weights. Yeah, free weights, weight training. Now you lift the AWS services. I know, right? They're not that heavy. Well, some of them are. All right, 30 seconds on these ads, and then we're going to get to it. I've got a big to-do list. I cannot muscle up. I did not make it. I was making progress. Solo carrying the terminal.shop team. Now that's heavy. No, Dax is doing a ton of stuff on the back end the last few days. Over the weekend, I've been bugging him, making him do things. And Prime and Tej, you know Prime and Tej. You guys wouldn't know about me or terminal.shop if not for Prime or Tej. So they have lifetime immunity. They don't have to code. Although Tej has been working on some stuff. I think Tej is going to build a little like print daemon thing on like a Raspberry Pi with OCaml. So good. Prime drinks coffee. He does. I made him a lot of coffee in Miami. I don't know if you watched any of the streams when they built the first version of the shop, but there was a lot of screaming at me to make coffee. They're influencers. They're idea guys too. Tej has so many ideas. Well, so does Prime. On all fronts. Welcome to chat, Cyrus. So many ideas. He was drinking a lot of Cometeer when he was sponsored, at least. Yeah. No, he drinks coffee. He goes through spurts. I went 2 years without drinking coffee. But getting back to making a coffee company, that got me back on the coffee. Why am I not hearing? Why am I not hearing notifications? I'd like to hear them so I can like know if somebody raids me or if somebody, I don't know. Why don't I hear them? Refresh. Maybe that's the problem. Refresh that one too. Why not? Okay, we'll see if I hear anything now. You just finished up your first cup of coffee? Well, I have not finished my first cup of coffee. Welcome to chat. The Ibra, I hear him. The Ibra Dev. This guy is actually funny. Are you talking about me or somebody in chat? Hey Adam, do you use any plugins on your Apollo? Also, I'm trying to convince myself that getting one just for headphones and mic is worth the price tag. LP, I do use plugins. So it's actually pretty noisy in my office, and my kids are asleep in the room above me, and they run a sound machine. So I run a plugin that it's amazing, actually. It completely eliminates all the background noise. And it doesn't like create a bunch of artifacts. It doesn't sound like a thing is running, eliminating all the background noise. Does that make sense? It's really good. I run a few plugins. Yeah, I've got like 3 or 4 in the chain. Might get a second one. First cup of coffee. Yeah, I might get a second cup of coffee too. Looking into your soul, I'm definitely using a teleprompter. That's right. All right, let's do it. We got so much stuff to do. My coffee's gonna get cold because I didn't finish it. But what can you do? You know, what can you do? Okay, we're gonna mostly be in Go. Let's look at my to-do. My to-do MD. Oh, it's actually pretty girthy. It's a girthy to-do list. But whatever. What is damn, it's early for you. It's 5 a.m. 5:30. What is your superpower? My superpower? Uh hmm. I think it's the mania. I think I just go really hard. That's my superpower. I'm just not sure the price tag is worth my basic use. Yeah, they're really nice pieces of hardware. Uh, I use it for the podcast and the streaming and everything. But if I didn't, I'd probably still want it because it's just nice. It's a nice little volume knob for if nothing else, just headphones volume. You know what I mean? All right, some of these. So they're in order of importance. Oops. These first few are really the only like we gotta have them and then we can launch. Like you need an order confirmation email. That's just a thing you should have when you order coffee with the tracking number and all that. That's the first thing we'll do. Some of these might get into sensitive things. I'm not sure about like syncing contacts and email octopus. That could actually like be hard to do on stream. I might skip. We'll see. We will see. Let's get going. We're going to work on the website too a little bit because it's super out of date. We don't really need a website. We don't sell coffee from a website. Verte, that's the, yeah, do I wake up that early? I mean, it's the mania. So I get into these little like spurts of, I think it's hypomania. I'm self-diagnosed. It could be not. It could be something totally different. But basically can't sleep because I'm so excited about life and I just want to wake up and do everything. And I feel like I don't need that much sleep. That's like a hallmark of mania is you can actually survive on like very little sleep. So I get into spurts where I'm sleeping like 4 and 5 hours and I'm like humming and I'm loving life and I love my work and I love what I'm doing and everything is great and everything, we're going to be the best. And it's like optimistic and it's boo, boo, everything's up and to the right. That's mania, I think. And it's the coffee, maybe, but I did go 2 years without coffee and the mania didn't go away. It didn't go anywhere. It was still there. Didn't need coffee. Still mania. By the way, we're 10 followers away from 10,000, and it's hilarious because if you recall on Friday, we had like 3,000 follow bots follow us on Friday. So really, we're like really close to 6,000 or something, but we'll take it. Welcome to chat, co-CEO Shikar. Also, what's up, Mr. Yogurt? I saw some of your stream. I sure did. Fix your anti-mania. It's funny. How early you have to go to sleep to stream at 5 a.m.? I do go to bed early. We've got a young family. I've got 2 little boys, and I generally go to bed around 9. I even 8:30 if my wife's really tired. If we're both just sleepy and we want to go to sleep, we go to bed super early. You should have bought 3,000 follow bots instead of just 3,000. I didn't buy them. I want Twitch to know I did not buy any follow bots. Thank you for stopping by. You're welcome, Mr. Yogurt. I wish I had more time to watch streams on the weekend. It's very little like hit and miss moments where I can pop in and I'm like, oh, somebody's streaming. I want to see this. Welcome to chat, Skullby. Hey man, currently working right now on my software dev job, watching your stream for the first time. Seems nice. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Skullby. That's very kind. Okay, I really do need to get started on number 1 here. Email template for order confirmation. The coffee, though. The coffee's going to get cold. Okay, so the email templates are not in Go. We're going to be up here doing this. Email. Nice one, Dax. Nice. He named this template email because that super descriptive. That one is. Let's see. I need to do just in case. What changes do I have? What? I just formatted some stuff. Okay, let's just pull just in case. Okay, we're good. I do need to bun install. And what else do I need to do? Because clearly I didn't even have React installed. I need to also bun SSO to get my AWS credentials into my shell. Yeah, I don't know if I don't like the Mania. I think I like the Mania. I think I'm a fan. I think it's a good thing. But also, it kind of drives my wife crazy sometimes. Well, let's see. By the way, I get a Coors error when trying to subscribe. Yeah, that's on my list. It's on my list, Nix. We got to fix that. Can I ask what's the OS you're using? It's Mac OS. A string randomness check before the follow notification would help. A string randomness check before the follow note. What do you mean by that? I don't understand, Sinher. A string randomness check. All right. We got stuff in the shell. I've got credentials. Let's do bun dev. And then let's see. It's time to make this template. I don't love that he named it email.tsx. Feels kind of, I don't know. Email.tsx. Email.tsx. Where? Oh, here we go. Email list? No. This is old stuff. No. I think he said he's already sending the email. Where would that be? I don't see. Let's see. Email build. Okay, so we have to build the templates. I've never used JSX email. Welcome to chat. Pizza Torque. Are you in the US? What time do you wake up? Yes, I am. I woke up today at 3 o'clock in the morning. Again, with the Mania. How much does he stream? I haven't found this stream until today. I streamed for a while. I've been off and on for a couple years. I streamed pretty consistently like 6 months ago, and then I stopped for a few months, and then I'm back. It's just been a couple weeks since I've been back. Are you reworking these? Weird to order coffee online without a confirmation email. Yeah. We're working on that. He had one job. React is everywhere. I know, right? You mean a CAPTCHA? Checking the okay, here we go. Checking the randomness of the username since a lot of these follow bots looked like. Oh, you're saying I could have like avoided destroying my overlays. I gotcha. All right, I finished the coffee. I gotta pull my shorts down because they ride up on me, and now I got this camera that's like showing my legs. I don't know what you guys think. I'm in my underwear or something. Can you make the email input an email input too? Yes. Project on the website? Yeah. Are your dot files up to date? Probably not. Probably not. Nah. Sorry. They're not super up to date. I could just I could just add it all. I could just do this. Always whip. All right, I'm procrastinating. There you go. Now they're up to date. Hey, there's been a little progress on my GitHub username. For those that have followed the drama, I've been trying to get a hold of adam.dev on GitHub for quite some time. And the person who owns it has been very hesitant. To the point that he said, I will never give it away. Or I will never get rid of it. And I couldn't figure out why, because he didn't seem to... It's not like he's... out there publicly trying to have that username. I think it was just like an annoyance. He didn't want to have to deal with the upheaval of changing my GitHub username. So he was very reluctant. He has now shown signs of life. I may sometime in the future, near future, get that handle, and then I will have adam.dev everywhere, and it will feel so good. What's up, Zerion? Did Adam fix the twitching camera? Was it twitching? Which one was twitching? I think the official term is entropy. Also, you'd have to forward that to Melky. Oh yeah. I told Milky about the follow bots. He said just ignore it. It's fine. It'll go away. Okay. Happy Monday, Ocelot. What's up? I'm so distracted. It's email templates. You know what I mean? If it were something else, I'd be super into it right now. But it's email templates, so I'm just not. And I just want to talk to you guys. Is it like your normal routine? I can't wake up before 10 minutes prior to stand up. Yeah, I wake up early every day. Is this your main source of income, or do you work somewhere? So I work on StatMuse. I started a company called StatMuse like 10 years ago. Wow, I'm so behind on chat. I started a company called StatMuse. It's a startup. We do like sports statistics. We're kind of like a search engine for sports, is how I would put it. We also do financial information now. That's my main job, is working at StatMuse. And then I do a lot of other things for fun. Why are you taking off your pants on stream? Oh my goodness. Leg cam, exactly. And commit, done. Yeah, I'll never be done. That's the problem. It's always work in progress. Is it secretly Dax that has the username? That would be hilarious, actually. Okay, so Paul, I don't know if you're here, but I have this goal I realized in life that I've not put into words. I've never said this out loud. But I actually had this goal already. I just finally realized, it clicked in my head that this is a thing I'm hoping to do. I really hope at some point to get Dax in an altered state of mind such that he admits to me that THDXR, he's had that handle since high school or something, and it actually stands for the Daxer. Like that in high school, he was like, oh, how cool would the Daxer be? And then he removed the vowels, and he's like, yeah, THDXR, how cool is that? Like just a young Dax, you know? I want him sometime to be drunk or high or something and admit it to me. I just feel like it might actually be true. Like I think that might actually be why he named it. I think it is the Daxer. That's my theory. I just can't. The way he frames it in adulthood is, it's just random letters. It's just THDXR. He just needed some random letters to like get a username on every service, which I get. That's a good idea. But it has a DNX in it. You know what I mean? It has a DNX, just like the word Dax. I don't buy it. Thank you so much, Cohen Shipper, for the tier 1 sub. I appreciate that. Random letters, and I'm Barack Obama. Exactly. Hey, I love your font. Can you confirm that it is GT Maro Mono? It is not. It is Victor Mono with a little dash of operator mono. How many digits did you offer? We're not going to talk about that on stream, Johnny, but it will not be free. My current GitHub username is the worst. It's an17, and it makes me sad every single time I see it. I told this guy, I literally think about my GitHub handle every single day. And I do. I wake up at 3 a.m. and I'm like, ugh, why? Why don't I have an17? Send him some coffee. There you go. Okay, I really need to get through this. We got to make the email template. It's whatever. I'm not that excited about it. I do need to turn the air down because it's so hot in here. Let's see. Oh, we got good music going too. I got to get on it while it's... Strike while the iron is hot. Okay. Turning that down. Ooh, that's going to feel good. Can't wait till that kicks in. I got to close the window too. Adam.Daxer. All right, guys. The coffee's not going to sell itself, you know? We're going to have to actually implement this email. Let's see if we can figure out where Dax put... let's see. It'd probably be on create order. It would be the logical place for him to... Oh, I bet he just order created. Yeah. Right here. Boom. Template. Send order confirmation. Dax, why are you importing all this stuff that you are not using? Does nobody else do this? Like highlight imports that are unused? It's so obvious. What? What? I feel like he deleted a big chunk of code to have all that stuff imported, and then it just be... I feel like this is skill issues on my end. Like, am I missing something that... I'm just going to get rid of it. I don't know. It doesn't need to be there. Okay, shippo, create shipment. Boom. Template, send order confirmation. Boom. So we have an email template file. Okay, cool. Cool. And then where does it import from the JSX email? Here we go. User table, order table. Okay, okay. Email. Email. Right here. I bet the template's in here. No. That's just send. Okay, cool. Where did I see? Wait a minute. Is this where the template comes in? No. No, you just pass like a body. Okay. You pass a body, but what are we passing in body? What are we passing in the body? Where is it? Template render. Okay. Render sample. What? Wait, what? Okay, so there's template where this is the body, right? What is sample? That's just the name, I guess. Name, but I just don't see where it's pulling from that specific file. You know what I'm talking about? This one. Email.tsx. What's that about? I thought maybe it was like exporting something called sample here. What? This is Oh, it's named sample right here. Okay. Tying it together. Do you use React for the website? No, the website is Astro, I think, and Solid. We're using JSX email. Wait, is StatMuse free? I don't see any pricing, and I'm currently working on a stealth app and looking for a sports API. So we have a lot of people that want to use an API. We've talked about it. We're just not there yet. That's how you came up with Nixia? Is it? Why not using React email? Dax has a thing about React email. He prefers JSX email. I don't know why. He just does. That's what he told me. Template props. Okay, sample. Template name email. Why is this so bad? Why? We could have named it anything, Dax, and you named it email. Really? Also, is this how you have to style it? Ugh. CSS and JS nonsense. This is such a Dax thing. Can I not use like Tailwind in here or something? If I could use Tailwind, that'd be real great, actually. JSX email Tailwind. That would be real great. Dax is going to be so upset when he sees that I'm trying to do this. Like, you need Tailwind to style an email. That's what he would say. It would sound just like that, too. Welcome to chat, Fizby. Hi, do you have a lake view from your house in the Ozarks? Yes, we do. You should be able to. What are we talking about? Yeah, he preferred it because it doesn't have React in the name. Exactly. That's basically it. JSX email has Tailwind support. What's up? Let's do it. Okay, JSX email component, which enables using Tailwind style. I'm definitely doing this, right? You think there's bugs? Do you think it just works? Or is there like, let's see, Tailwind button. You think it just works, or are there like gotchas? Like, oh, you just can't use all these things. Most email clients are style limited, and some styles may not work. It's always recommended to use email check to check your CSS for client compatibility. Nice. Nice. Also, the reason we like JSX email, it's a friend. A friend maintains JSX email. This is a friend of Terminal. Let's pull it up here. You may know him as your favorite pirate on Twitter. Here he is. How do I find... Oh, Shellscape. Here we go. Shellscape. He's a friend. Friend of the company. Well, at least friend of Dax and I. I don't know. He's a friend. And he makes this, so it's good. Okay. Usage. I'm going to do the Tailwind thing. Dax is going to hate this, but I'll move so much faster. Not only do you get Tailwind support, but also the vast ecosystem of Uno CSS possibilities. Okay, let's do it. So we already have JSX email. And I need to add... So this is a component? And I just put it at the root of my emails? That's what this is? That's how this works? Does it replace my HTML? Is that the thing? Tailwind component isn't compatible with... that's fine. So I get the sense that it replaces... no other email services... okay, I get the sense that it kind of replaces like my root Like my HTML, I guess. And the head, I guess. What about the preview? Can I include all this stuff? I don't know. Welcome to chat. Marza Power. Sadly, CSS and emails is kind of a hell. Yeah, I know this from our first email that we sent. It was not fun. Maybe because of this is of Outlook. Yeah, it's like Internet Explorer all over again. AWS SES instead of Resend? Yes! Elusive Spectre. We use SES. You know who else uses SES? Resend. Turns out Resend just uses SES. So we also just use SES. If Resend can use SES, we can use SES. Pretty straightforward. I don't know if I need to include the head. Okay, I'm gonna add the Tailwind thing. I don't have to install anything. It just exists. Config, theme, extend. I can put my brand in there. Cool. I still don't understand though. Would I not want the HTML? Wraps it with a root element. Add a component. I feel like I don't understand why their example does not have an HTML tag. And I feel like it might be because, let's look at the code. Let's just look at it. Sometimes you just got to look at it. Let's just look up Tailwind. Let's find the component. There it is. Does it include a body? No. I mean, an HTML tag? No. So why would I not? Oh, wait. No. Renderer does this stuff. Yeah, I feel like I should include an HTML tag if I want an HTML tag. We could just look at the output and see. I don't know. Can't get the sense that it matters either way. I could ask Shellscape. Hey, Shellscape, should I put the HTML tag? I don't know. We're going to do this. We're going to say Tailwind. Tailwind. Thank you so much, Amy Yashi, for the Prime sub. It's a Prime sub. It's a Prime sub. You only get one of them. You gave it to me? Oh, me? I just use my email provider's SMTP server. None of these fancy services. I don't know what Resend would do for me. I mean, I love Dracula, so I don't want to talk slander. I only recently learned that the founder of Resend, creator of Dracula, had a little Twitter moment with him. Love Dracula. Favorite theme. I don't understand why I would need Resend, because I use SES, and I believe they do too. So, have you priced a call with yourself at 5% of a MacBook? What? Have you priced a call with yourself at 5% of a MacBook? Oh, is that how the math works out? If you do the 0.01 times the... Yeah, cappuccino? Catpuccin? Is that a big one? I see people reference that one a lot. Okay, I got to make more progress. We're not going to name this sample. I don't really understand how the import here works. So, like, how does it pick up on I just wish I understood how this worked. Like, the name being sample finds the right template somehow. It's fine. I don't need to understand it. I just need to change it. I'm not going to name it sample. Order confirmation is what we're going to call this one. Template name, order confirmation. That's sensible. It really is. Email.tsx, not sensible. Order confirmation. Like, the moment we need our second transactional email, we're going to be like, man, I wish I wouldn't have named the original template email. That's a little generic. Tokyo Night greater than the rest. We've been using Resend for a long time, then ended up having lots of spam-related problems, even using dedicated IP addresses. Interesting. We had to drop that service for our business. Ooh, that's a bummer. I do believe they're just using SES, so you probably would have had the same issues that I would have on SES. Using React email is a big part of Resend, but I didn't realize JSX email was so well maintained. It is, Ocelot. Shellscape, good people. Had a good time with Shellscape in Miami. He came to Dax's party. We hung out at all the other parties. Okay. Order confirmation is the new name of this template. and that feels pretty good. Why does that not like that? Were we using React? I don't think React was ever like in scope. Why is React needed? Does JSX email require React? I don't know. We're gonna remove it and see what happens. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete all this nonsense. Ugh. Who lives like this? You guys write JSX and CSS or CSS and JS, whatever. You write this? You write your styles like this? Ugh, Dax. Ugh. Ew. Get out of here, styles. Terrible, bad styles. Okay, we're gonna keep the preview and I'm gonna drop all the rest of the stuff. I'm not even gonna have a body. Should I have a body? I should probably have a body. But should I have a body? So these are all, okay, these are all like components that JSX email gives me. I'm gonna keep the body. We'll keep the body, but I'm gonna get rid of the HTML tag because I just feel like I don't need it. We're gonna delete all this stuff. Like that. What is it? Like that? Let's get Shellscape on here. Maybe he could just help me whip this up real fast. Can you use effect in email? Probably not. I'd be surprised. Dev purposes, Resend is a great tool made for the built-in email preview rendering tool in Dev Sandbox. Yeah, the feedback loop here is going to be a little rough because I don't even know how I'm going to see the email, what it looks like. How am I going to see a preview? Great question. Let's see if there's any preview app. JS6 email ships with a preview tool as part of the CLI. This is awesome. Our preview is fast, simple, and smooth. Doesn't require installing any crazy dependencies, downloading additional clients, or cover. It just works. Okay. To use the preview, I think I saw in the package.json preview, right? Email preview templates. Let's go. So, okay. Well, this is like a blank. I guess I'm just going to try it. Sometimes you just got to try it. Packages, email. Let's just try it. Let's see what it does. I'm so curious, actually. It's going to create a whole dev server and everything. Let's do this. Bun dev. Oh, do you see this right now? Start creating an email template by running it. I've already done that. How do I? Email templates. Uh-oh. We don't have any, everyone. We officially do not have one. Welcome to chat, Gnoy. It's pesky React. This is not going to work at the end. Oh, no. I have to put the React back. Welcome to chat, Terra Fruit. What's a spec? React email is cool because you can have previews locally, but it needs React. React is the duckweed of the JS. I already broke it. Nonetheless, those previews are completely unreliable since they get rendered by a browser usually. Yeah. There's a lot of weird stuff in email. So can someone tell me why we don't have a template? Why? Email preview templates. Okay. TSConfig. No. Wait a minute. React JSX. Do we actually need React? Does JS, it does require React. I wonder if I need to put let's put it back. Clearly, we needed import React from React. That might be the issue. Might be it. Still no email templates. Interesting. Maybe I should have left it as sample. So we export order confirmation. And then the template name is order confirmation. What's the deal then? Order confirmation.tsx. Order, did I spell it right? Confirmation. Yeah. What do we think? Do I need to start creating email template by running email create template name? Okay, let's try that. Maybe that's the missing piece here. Maybe there's some magic that happens and I don't see it in the files. Let's do, actually, package.json. Let's look and see. Is there already? Oh, there's a create right there. So bun create. What? Bun create. Oh, bun run create. That's like a bun built-in thing. Oh, do I need to put the name? Create template name. Okay, yeah. Create. Let's let's rename this one back because I want this to be named order confirmation. So we're gonna name this one. What did he have it? Oh yeah, email. Dax. That Dax. Email.tsx. Like, it asked him for a template name, and the thing that came out of Dax's brain was email. Email. That's so funny to me. Okay. Should I name this back to sample? Email. We'll rename this back to sample. Okay, now let's do this. Bun run create order confirmation. Okay. Okay. Oh, it didn't put it in templates. Why? I feel like it should have put it in templates, though. Huh. Okay, I take back all the bad things I said about Dax. Clearly, this was the default to put all this stuff in styles like this. That's fine, I guess. But the question is, why? Oh, they imported it differently. Also, what's superstruct? What is that? Superstruct. I feel like that's an important detail here. Template struct, email defaulted, Batman. Okay. And then the email is like strongly typed here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Template props. That's kind of cool. Okay, I like all this. This is all good. I don't understand why it didn't put it in templates. I don't really understand that. Does it show up over here now? No. It's really interesting. I feel like there should be an email template here. What am I? Did I need to read something? Okay, Shellscape. Tell me more. Do the preview email preview dot emails? Oh, I have to point it at the folder. Wait, no. Wait, what? Okay. You've already run email create to create an email in an emails directory. So I just need to move this. I'm just going to move it to templates like this. Templates like that. So there's our order confirmation. And now when I run preview, I'm going to say bun dev templates. Just like that. Okay. Boom. Order confirmation. It's so interesting that it didn't include email.tsx though. Why? I mean, it's not so interesting, but it's a little interesting. The only reliable way I know of is Litmus. Very pricey service. Don't know if there are any good alternatives. No. We're going to see how this one works. npm run build first, then dev. Ooh, did I need to build them? I bet you're right. I bet I needed to build them. Well, let's just see what it does now. Oh, there we go. So this is our email body text. There's a button. Okay. So presumably I can now mess with this thing. And what did Dax have in here? Was anything important? No. Look, we're still working on this email template, okay? Okay. Order confirmation. We're gonna start hammering this thing out. So we have all these JSX imports. Note, Superstruct is a fantastic validation package. Smaller and faster than alternatives. Uses a delightful API without chaining. Okay. I guess we've already added it. Clearly, Dax has already added it. I'm going to put that up there. Number is not needed. Infer. Okay, so template name, order confirmation. Template struct. We're going to have a order ID, I'll call it. I don't think there is a default here, but we'll just, for now, that's fine. So do I have their name? Yes, I do have their name. I guess I need their email too, so let's just copy this. Order ID. And then I need what? Why is that not happy? Oh, that's fine. And then I need a tracking URL. Okay. Okay. So these are things that I'm going to put into the email, right? You can use Node Mailer to test this stuff locally. That's what I use. Maybe I will too. Oh, ads are starting. Oh, ads. We'll be right back. I'm just going to come over here and talk. You're not going to miss anything. Don't worry. I'll do nothing. I'll do absolutely nothing. I'll just talk to you people. That's all I'll do. That's a way True Litmus lets you... What's this litmus you guys talk about? Actually, I have to pee. Perfect timing. I'm going to pee while the ads are adding. Those ads are going to be adding away, and I'm going to be peeing, and I'll be right back. You're not going to miss anything but me peeing. That's literally it. All right. Ads are over, I think. Yes. Email client renderer runs it on all the most awful email client screenshots, that shit, etc. Oh, you're talking about Litmus. Litmus? Litmus. All right. Any chatters on X? Doesn't look like it. All Twitch. That's all right. I'm gonna start doing the multi-stream thing. I'm gonna stream to YouTube as well. The YouTube. Because why not? What'd you win, Bertrand? You using aerospace now? I am. Lixie. I am using aerospace. I love it. Okay, so I'm happy with these imports. I think these are the things. I need email name, order ID, tracking URL. Why would I need the email address? I don't know. Who cares? Let's move on. I'm going to delete all this. I'm going to skip this song. Not feeling the Nickel Creek or whatever this is. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. Okay, we're going to delete all the styling because it sucks. And I'm never going to do CSS and JS. Ever. Literally never. I refuse. You won the giveaway? No, you didn't. Stream to LinkedIn? Is that actually a thing, Tom? Can I stream to LinkedIn? Does LinkedIn have streaming? Can you not just send the customer a Snapchat rather than an email? What? Email so 1700s. You can stream to LinkedIn? Ooh, would I fit in on LinkedIn streaming? I guess my stream might. Imagine like Prime streaming on LinkedIn. Imagine people just like blushing on LinkedIn, right? Okay. Feels good? Ooh, we lost all our styles. Makes sense. We did just remove them all. Let's, okay, oh, look at this. We can just see the HTML generate. So I can see what happens when I do the, ooh, I love it. Tailwind. Now, do we still have an HTML tag? Yes. So it does still create an HTML tag. It did remove something. It removed something. What did it take out of the HTML tag? Oh, lang and direction. We should add them back. We should do it. You can stream at 1440 60 with 8K bitrate. What? Oi, Rock. Welcome to chat. You're saying I can do that on LinkedIn? Or I can do that here on Twitch, because I will stream in 1440p all day long, wherever I can. You can see the hellscape being created in real time. No, on Twitch. I'm sorry, what? I can use an 8K bitrate? I thought they capped it at 6500 and you have to cheat up to 7500. Say more words, because this is a thing I care about a lot. My streaming on LinkedIn, I know. You're using it now? How do I do this? You're saying I can just start doing that and it'll be fine? I actually checked the VOD. Okay, I'll check your VOD, Oi Rock. This sounds amazing. My OBS canvas is 4K. I could actually send, like I'm going to send 4K to YouTube. That's what I used to do when I multi-stream. So I can send whatever. I just downscale for Twitch because Twitch sucks. They don't suck, but like the Twitch video quality is not paramount. Differs from your internet connection. Yeah, I've got 1 gig up and down. A symmetric 1 gig. Don't make me talk about my office closet with the fiber terminating directly in my closet. I talk about that a lot. Okay, so we can add, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can tailwind, and then what happens, what happens if, lang? Can I do that? No, probably can't do that. What happens if I do this? What if I leave the HTML tag and then I wrap everything else in? What if I just wrap the body? Or what if I just do this? Tailwind. You know what I mean? What if I just put it inside the body? What does that do? 1 gig down. Saying 1 gig up and down. Yeah, nice. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm gonna start streaming whatever the max I can do to Twitter to Twitch is. I'm gonna do it. Did that work? It did. Okay, so that didn't get rid of our HTML tag. Oh, it's using, no, never mind. Those aren't tailwind styles. Those are inline styles. So I might want to actually do it outside the body in case I want to style the body, right? With tailwind. Does that work? Yes. Can I? Okay, I don't think I need it on my head or my preview. So this is it. This is the move. We did it. Okay, so we have a body, we have a container. Let's see, name and email. let's look at the actual preview now. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Let's do this. I can open up Figma. There's a terminal, like a Figma terminal, right? Yeah. Terminal share? I don't think that's the one. I don't think it's the one. David has designed an email before. David, our designer. David, if you didn't know. Oh, there it is. We're literally on it right there. So this was the email we sent out when we did the nil thing. Let's see, what kind of, he's using Geist Mono. You can't use custom fonts, can you? Can you? Fonts? Fonts? Font? Oh! Oh! You can! Okay. So... Excuse me. Where did I do this? Oh, I love this song. I just want to put it on loop. You guys would get tired of it, right? Adam, I benched 100 today. 100 what? What? 100 pounds? Marketing. What's up, Sock? Welcome to chat, Candian. That's what my brain failed to say. 1 gig up in mental. Tried 2160p, but it's foggy. Works, but not correctly. So the cap is 8,000 bit rate, and it's basically like whatever you want to send with that bit rate. That makes sense. So you stuck with 1440. Okay. So they upped the bit rate to 8K. I wouldn't rely too much on custom fonts. Client support is meh. Okay, yeah. We won't. Do whatever it takes, says elusive. Client support for custom fonts looks just like just Apple platforms. Okay, cool. So maybe we will, I mean, for Apple, I could include it and it'll fall back, right? It'll fall back. So I actually did this already for our email template. I'm just trying to remember, where does that email template live? I think it lives in Email Octopus. Okay, I'm gonna have to go fuzzy for a sec. I'm gonna have to do this. A fuzzy, where are you? There. Let's see, did it, yeah, it went fuzzy, right? Yeah, okay. So add a component, let's go to my templates. I did this in Email Octopus, I do believe, which is what we're using on top of SES. Yes. Let's look at the code. I can go unfuzzy now. I just couldn't show our list, obviously. Nice. Here it is. So then I just need a meta tag thing. Where's the font? Here we go. Geist. Terminal shop, fonts. Okay. Look, I already did all this work. Already did it all. And then I already have the size adjust fallback. Look at this. I already did a fallback. Look at it. I'm the same. I prefer quality over quantity. Same. Agreed. Welcome to chat. Heisenworth, what framework are you using? For which part, Heisenworth? For the emails, we're using JSX email. For the front end, the storefront is Go with Bubble Tea and Charm. You want me to keep going? Because we have JavaScript on the back end. I could talk about that. Fallback to Comic Sans. You don't use an Apple device? Well, here you go. Comic Sans it is. Okay, so JSX email, font, family. So what does this do? Why do I need this font thing? Why can't I just put normal stuff in my head? I'm just going to try dropping the normal stuff into my head. Let's do this. Right here. We're going to put these font faces in a style tag. Like just the barbarians that we are. No, does not like that. Cannot do that. Can I do this? Is there a style? No. Okay. Well, it looks like we're doing the font thing. I hope this abstraction's good. Font family. Let's see. Does it give me everything I need? Font. Let's see if it gives me everything I need. Font family. Geist. Nope. Nope. There we go. Geist. Feels good. Fallback font family. I bet it's not going to let me define all the fallback stuff that I want to fallback. Geist, fallback. What's wrong with that? Oh, it has to be like a... Okay, this would need to be, what? Courier new. Courier new. That, what? What's wrong with that? Fallback font. An array is possible. The order is what? Okay, let's do this. Let's get rid of let's just comment all this out so that we can actually do something here. Can we go back to that song? Can I just go back? I'm going back. I don't care. You guys can get tired of this song, and that's fine. I like it. JavaScript on the back end with Prime on the team? I know, right? Prime is here as a Go representative? Yeah. Prime fully supports the mullet stack. Google Fonts API helps page caching on loading. That's true. I don't know. I don't think Geist is a Google font. I don't believe so. Try monospace as the fallback. Fallback font family. Courier new. Why can't I go to definition? What? Oh, what? What? Seriously, why can't I go to... What? That's so annoying. Okay, so if I put in, what did they have? Verdana? Oh, it's constants. Oh, they're constants. So I do have to, Oh, that's what you said. You said monospace. Thanks. You told me to do that, and I was like, Web font equals. Okay, URL, and then the format, WAF2. Okay, so let's put the URL in there. It's going to be this one. And then I guess I can add all of them, right? Is this an array? No. I can't add all my WAF and my OTFs and everything. And then font weight is what? 100 to 900. Can I do that? It's a variable font. You know what I mean? Oh, it looks like it accepts it. Font weight. Why can't I go to definition, huh? Riddle me this. Why can't I go to definition on this stuff? No LSP definitions found, huh? Let's just look at the code then. We'll just look at it. Sometimes you just gotta look at it. Font, fallback font family. That's only gonna exist in one place, right? I love this song. Fallback font is one of these right here. So that's that. Fine. It's fine. We'll use monospace. I don't care. I wish I could put some more details about the fallback font, but it's fine. This isn't a web page. Layout shift does not concern me, probably. But then what about the, what was the other thing I want to check? Font weight is a font weight, which is what? Okay, it's the CSS property. So I should be able to specify 1 to 900. It's a variable font, you know what I mean? So I should be able to do that. And then font style normal. Font style normal. I guess there's no such thing as a swap. Font swap. There's no like what's that called? Font loading behavior or whatever. Family style weight web font. No, that's it. I don't love that I have to specify one URL. What's the most compatible? Is WAF2 the best? It's the best on the web. Is the best for email? I don't know. We're gonna try this. It's gonna fall back to an ugly monospace, and that's fine. It's just, that is life. Such is life. I love that I don't have to like worry about any abstractions here. Weight is already there. Did I already have weight twice? What? I love that I don't have to think about like abstractions here because there's only one email. We only have one email we're sending, so someone else can deal with abstracting out stuff like if we want to have a common template and then we like nest children in it. Someone else can deal with that. when they build the second email. It'll probably be me. It's only for Mac, iOS mail anyway, so WAF2 should be fine. Okay. Could do font weight and size, maybe. Can web font not take an array of objects? I don't believe so. I don't believe so. No, it's just this. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, back to here. So now I've got some custom fonts. Let's look at the first email we sent. I didn't have like a dark mode. Do I need to have like a dark mode? I don't know how all that works. I'm not exactly sure how all that works, but I could put a background. Let's just do like this little top thing. What is this? So it's this frame. Let's put this background color. Oh, what is all that? Does that have a background color? Yeah. So I'll name some, let's do some Tailwind theming stuff. Theme? What was it? We just looked at this. Tailwind config. That makes sense. Config. Theme. Extend. Colors. And brand. Okay, so I want to have a like a background color, or what do I want to call that? Brown. We don't really use that anywhere else, but I guess it's fine. We'll call it background. Oh, that's not good. I don't want BG background. That's no good. We'll just call it brown, because you know what? It's brown. Seems descriptive enough to call the brown. And then that's our brand, our primary brand color. Okay, this is feeling good. This is feeling pretty good. Let's see, the white, is the white just white? Sure is, just straight white. That's good, that's easy. Is that also white? Also white. Oh, that's a gray color. What's this font? Slate. Okay, here's the hex. So let's call this one Slate. I don't love that. I don't love Slate now that I think about it. Let's call it gray. I don't know. You could add style to not resize if minimum zoom is selected, like less than 50% on zoom. I didn't follow that. You want to call it stone? I just want it to be something I remember when I'm doing the styling, you know? I could even just call it text. No, then it'd be like text. That's dumb. That's like email. That's like when Dax named the one email template email. Like, yes, it is an email, Dax. That is true. Okay. Well, let's go with, do we have more than one gray? Yeah, like this is a gray too. So we have, that's like a dark gray. That's like a medium gray. Those are basically the two colors I'm going to be using for text. Are these? What are these? That's that same slate dark alpha 11. Isn't that the same? No, that's 10. Ugh. Okay, whatever. We'll do this. We'll do it. Gray, and we'll have like a 9, 10, and 11 maybe. Or what was it? Maybe it was, let's see. We have 10 for sure. That one was 11, and then this dark one is 12. Ugh. What? No, it should go the other way. I'm gonna simplify it to 2 grays maybe. Oh, what's this gray? Slate light 10 versus light 9. And that one's 10. Why are these bouncing around so much? Light 9. This one is light 12. Are they all light? Maybe they are all light, and that's good. Nope, that one's dark. Okay, forget that one. We're just going to do gray 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's grab all those colors. Let's grab all the colors. It's going to all be in here, right? Selection colors, no. thought it would show all the colors. Well, there's 10. And then the dark color is 12. I'm not gonna like this. I can already tell I'm not gonna like this. Like this approach. There is Slate Light 2. What's that for? Is it the border? So there's 10. I already have 9. Oh. 9 and then 11. I still need to find 11. What am I going to use that 2 for? 10. Where was 11 at? I don't know. Slate Light 10. Maybe he's not using, he's using dark 11 maybe. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Do I want to throw light 2 in there? I bet that's the border. Let's find it. Slate Light 2 background. Oh, that's that background color. Oh, I definitely need that then. Okay, we'll just 2. I'm going to delete 11 because I don't need it right now. This is like, what do I absolutely need? That's all I'm going to grab. Everything else, whatever. Okay, welcome to chat. Clacker, does it override the default color theming? Yes, I believe I'm overriding the gray, which is fine. I would like to do that. Dark light toggle would be a plus for the client. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do dark light. I think I'm just going to design these as one color, like one color scheme, just a light color scheme. I don't see myself taking the time to do that right now. Maybe eventually, but okay. Let's do this. Let's kind of try and sort of recreate just a little bit. Let's see, preview. Let's do, I need to come back to that. Can't forget to come back to preview. This is called template. I'm going to delete all of this now. We have template props. I think those are all I need. Let's do it. So we have our head, preview, and then I've just done the tailwind config. Okay, body, container. Is there like a header component? Header, JSX intrinsic element. That's not what I want. Let's look at JSX email. Is there like a body column conditional container? It's probably just a container. Yeah. We'll just make a container at the top and we'll call, what are rows? Separate content boundaries horizontally. Is it just like a divider? Okay. Preview section. What's a section? Section boundaries that can be formatted with columns and rows. Okay, so a section has rows and columns. A container, how do they horizontally center child components and content? Oh, interesting. That specifically does horizontal centering, huh? Okay, let's try this. Container. And I'm going to put text. You like how I cleared my throat for that? Nil blend. And we're going to say class name. Text brand. Let's just start there. What do we got? What do we got? Nil blend. Boom. It's not centered. I don't know why they lied to me. Why did they lie to me and say that container would center everything? Why are they so full of lies? Yo, Diamond, what's up? How's it going? I miss you. My favorite Miamin. Okay. We can do some things like this. We can say text 3XL. Nope. Apparently that is not supported. What? Really? I can't change the size of the text? You being for real right now? Like for real, for real? Can someone tell me why that doesn't work? Let's see. Table. Oh, I love that it's doing all this nasty stuff for me. Font size 14 pixels, really? That's not true. It should be 30 pixels. Why does text 3XL not work? Is it because I extended the did it overwrite the font sizes just because I extended colors? No, that's not how extend works. B brand PX3 font medium. That's the thickness. Huh. Let's go to text and see if there's any examples. If true, instructs the component not to add default style properties. Oh. Override yes. Look at that. I'm glad I came to the docs, you know? I don't want to have to do this every time, but disable default style. That should just be default, right? That should be the default. There we go. Why did container disable default style? Why did container not do the centering? I thought it was going to do the centering for me. I mean, I can do this if I have to. I just don't want to. I could say flex. Wait, can you use flex? Just do an important? I don't think I had to do that. Welcome to chat. Ayub. Docs is such a beta move. I know, right? Wait, is beta good? No, beta's bad. You're saying that's a bad move? Like it'd be better if it was an alpha move? Is that what you're saying? You're not blushing. Inline styling overwrites the class. Yeah, we fixed that. Beta is not alpha. So you're slamming me, as the kids say. I can't use Flexbox, can I? Can I do this? Will it tell me if it doesn't work on all clients or something? There's like an email check button or thing that I'm supposed to do. Let's do that. Is there like a check? No, so just email check. Bun run email check. What? Email check. Oh, I gotta say which one. Check templates order confirmation dot tsx. What? I did not expect all this output. I guess this is bad. 14 errors. Oof. Oof. Okay. What's not supported by Gmail? Universal selector. What am I supposed to do with this? This is just like the most basic of things that I just built. And none of this is supported. I feel like this is a skill issue that they should fix the issue. Fix this for me. Not supported by Fastmail. Okay, so we knew font faces weren't supported for a lot of things. Class selector is not supported. What? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Can't use Flexbox? Okay, yeah. I felt like that was probably a bad idea. Caniemail.com. Oh, yeah, I've seen this. Thanks, Tom. I saw that just text-align center. Of course. Of course. Spoiler, nothing works in Outlook. Awesome. Welcome to chat. Strauss and Crouch, not knowing what is beta is so alpha. Thank you. There we go. Exclusively Omega moves. That's right. We could just text align center. Easy. Text center. Done. You could check on the website. Can I email it? Yeah, thank you. A few people asked and they're telling me I should do that. Welcome to chat, Jules. Also, SBT. Welcome to chat. You can't use Flexbox. Yeah. Tables are the way. Okay. When are they going to fix email? The easiest way to build an email template is to have someone else do it for you. Yeah, exactly. That's why Dax chose the easiest way, which is having me do it. No, I volunteered. Nothing is supported. Sounds like fun. Welcome to chat, Coobies. Do you use ChatGPT or any other API? Yeah, I do. I love to use ChatGPT sometimes. What font am I using? Stress, it's Victor Mono and Operator Mono. It's a combination. Okay, so we're just gonna have errors. I don't know how we're gonna avoid all the errors, but I am gonna avoid Flexbox. We're just gonna say text center. That works. That was easier. Are you doing the code for the copy shop alone? Sometimes it feels like it. No. If I say that, Dax will come in and post screenshots of the whatever tab on GitHub where he's done the most. He's done the most coding. I still think he rigs that somehow. I feel like I'm constantly coding on this stuff. We're almost done though. I'm not doing it alone. I've got Tej and Prime and Dax. and David does all the design work. Okay, so text 3XL, nil blend. We're gonna make a background color on this. Background brown is what we called it, right? That's kind of looking like the thing. It's kind of looking like the thing. I'm just trying to get a feel for this. So then some text below that would be like text. Let's just do this. Text, and this one's gonna be like XL. And it's going to be text white. Actually, gray. 7, 8, 9. Order now. I don't remember what the text said. That's not right. It said first roast available to order now. First roast available to order now. So, first roast span? Is there a span element? Oh no, what was that? First roast available to order now. Span. Oh, come on. Class name, text white. And then we're gonna call this, actually just, what's the normal size? Look at me! Do you guys see this? Do you see how good at this I am? Technically that text should be way bigger. Can that be 5XL? Does it go that big? Does it go that big? He said. Leading, like, not that much. What's none again? 3 was better. Okay, let's put some padding on the container. PY. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I don't like that the top is further from the thing than the bottom. The